I am Dr. Kabir. This is my heart. Welcome to the clinic. I am Kabir Dr. Heart. Your heart comes with blood. And bandage, pen, stethoscope, medicine, and sanitizer, bandage. Don't forget to wear your mask. Please wear it. Cover your nose, and when you have all dirt and virus, please put your hand and make the hand clean. Hello everyone, my name is Yanti. Today I am a green grotto test where fruit and vegetables to the people. I have so many vegetables like potato, onion, orange, carrot. What do you want?
I want potatoes. Do you have?
Yes.
Can you give me? Thank you.
Police officers do salute like this. And the policeman got lots of different types of vehicles like police car, police van, police helicopter, and police bus. Policeman blowed a whistle like this. Policeman catch robbers and put them in jail. And they protect us also. And they catch thieves and robbers and put them in the jailhouse. When the thief takes the money with the robber, the policeman